Everyone, welcome back to my channel. uh, I need download driver Epson workforce, and you type the driver download driver. Okay. Please write and search the official website Epson. uh, okay, this here the official website epson.co.uk. You click here. Please write the website loading. I need download driver Windows 11, new Windows. And this here the brand, this here the printer, multifunction printer, and for the Wi-Fi, internet, and mobile printing, your printer. And I'm recommended the printer. uh, if you need download driver, you scroll down, and your this here the title, driver and software, download driver or software for your product. If you need download, click button download. This why the driver, the landing page driver spot loading. Okay, this here the select operating system. uh, Click here, and Windows, this here the Mac OS, for Linux, iOS, Chrome OS, and Android driver. And this here the driver Mac 12, Mac 11, Mac Big Sur, and Montefiore. This here new system operation for Mac, and this here the new system of operation for Windows 11. This here the Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows 9, Windows Server, Windows Vista, Windows XP. This here the new Windows 11 driver, Windows Epson driver, Windows 11 download. Click here, and please wait landing page loading. Okay, this here the product setup software, and this here the software update for the package drive for package driver software update in your driver. If you laptop, your only driver for package, download here, and update for Windows after the Windows 8 and before the Windows 11, before the Windows 8 or after Windows 11. This here the Windows Epson software or package update. If you need driver only and driver scan page, for use interface, or maybe this here the driver print and scanning for driver. If you need download driver, and click here button, is if you need information release update, this here that this here, and field site this here, and this here version driver. If you need download driver, click button download, and driver download. If you need the install driver for your printer, turn on the printer, put USB USB printer for your laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect USB printer, and